welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will learn about Amazon Transcribe. Amazon Transcribe is a ML and AI service of AWS, and this is basically used for speech to text conversion. So in this video, first of all, we will understand how does Amazon Transcribe works, and then we will see some of the frequent use cases of this service, and finally we will see a quick demo of this service. So let's understand it first. So Amazon Transcribe, like I said, automatically convert speech into text, and for this process it basically uses a deep learning technique, ASR. So ASR stands for automatic speech recognition, to convert speech to text very quickly and very accurately. It also allows us to remove PII information. Here PII stands for personally identifiable information like name, phone number, email, etc. For multilingual audio, it supports automatic language identification as well. Now let's see some of the use cases of Amazon Transcribe. So this is the very mostly used use case of this service. Get insight from customer conversation. With Transcribe Call Analytic, we can quickly extract actionable required insights from customer conversation, and same can be used for creating meaningful information. Then the second one is the search and analyze media content. This can be used by the content creator to automatically convert audio and video into fully searchable archive for content discovery. Then create caption and subtitles. This is also very useful. Then Amazon Transcribe can be used to subtitle your content to increase accessibility and reachability of your content and improve customer experience as well. Finally, the most common use case is search content on web and app. We can use Amazon Transcribe to enhance search functionality on web and app by allowing customer to search using voice. So this is the very most common use case. Now we will see a quick demo of Amazon Transcribe just to understand how does this work. Let's go to the Amazon Transcribe panel, and here we can see I have chosen real-time transcription, and let me show you what are the default settings here. I have selected a specific language here, and I'm keeping rest of the settings as it is, and here I will choose English. Now let's see. I will click on start streaming. Hello. Hello. I hope you are enjoying this course. So yeah. So this is how the speech to text conversion works. Maybe initially there was some gap and there was some issues in my internet connectivity. So finally, what I said, it is showing me here. Now let me show you how does PII information identification and reduction works. So we will go to the content removal settings, and here we can choose PII identification and reduction. So here we have two options, either identification only and identification and reduction as well. So I will choose identification and reduction, and under the personal information you can see it will basically hide my name, email, address, SSN, phone number, and these are some financial information that will hide automatically. So let's see a demo of it as well. Click on start streaming. I think it will work fine. Hello. Hello, my name is Balkrishna. My age is 33 years and my phone number is 123456789. So here you can see my name and my phone number is hidden. So that's the whole power of Amazon Transcribe, and basically how does this work. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel if you find this video or this information meaningful to you. Thank you.